Oh, for the past 3 days, I've been trying to do this cloning thing. And I've watched all videos online. Nobody's even giving me the solution. What will I do now? Oh, sorry. So you don't know how to clone yourself
Yes, I
yet?
don't know how to do it. I've watched a lot of videos.
Okay, come, let me teach you.
Really?
Yes, I will teach you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Don't
Thank
worry.
you.
I started by writing down my script for the two characters so that I don't miss my line or forget what to say next. I used the red sellotape to map out where the two characters will stand. That way, I don't go off the camera settings. I also map out my tripod legs in case I mistakenly move it. I will be able to set it back the way it was. I positioned my phone to be landscape. That gives me enough room or space for the editing. And this is my background. You want to make sure you have enough light to cast away shadows. Basically, these are the 5 major things you need for your setup. So this is my first character. What I did was, after each sentence, I waited for about 5 seconds for the second character to respond before I proceeded with the next sentence. And that is why you need to write down your script. Let me play it for you so that you will see what I'm talking about.
Oh, for the past 3 days, I've been trying to do this cloning thing. I've watched a lot of videos online, but nobody's even doing it the way I want it. And I still do not understand. Yes, I don't know how to do it. I've watched a lot of videos. Really? Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
So the next thing you want to do is to add your second character. Overlay. Tap on overlay again and select your second character. This is my second character here. Then tap on add. After adding the second clip, scroll to the right and trim it. And just tap on that and tap on split. Then you delete that. Now adjust it. The next thing you want to do is to remove the background of this overlay. Tap on the overlay video, scroll to your right, tap on cutout and remove background. It's going to take a while for the background to be removed. Now that we've removed the background, the next thing to do is to adjust the two characters so that what they are saying aligns.
And
Okay, just make sure you are matching
sorry.
it.
So you don't know how to clone yourself yet?
No, so once the first character finishes, if you don't know how to clone yourself yet, now I'm going to cut away that part. Then scroll to where the second character was responding. Adjust it. You can also pinch on your screen and expand like this so you can see everything. When you pinch, then you open.
Yes, I don't.
So here you tap on the, if you want to cut away any part, just tap on the clip, click on split and delete that part.
Yes, I don't know how to do it. I've watched a lot of videos.
So this is when you do your cut and join.
Yes, I don't know how to do it. I've watched a lot of videos. Really? Thank you. Yet? Yes, I don't know how to do it. I've watched a lot of videos.
So I've watched a lot of videos. You cut it. Then come, let me teach you. From here, tap on it, split and delete. Then you drag it here.
To do it, I've watched a lot of videos.
Okay, come, let me teach you.
Yes,
I'll teach you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Don't worry.
Thank you.
So once you are done with all the cut and join, to make sure that everything is aligned, just cut away the back. Adjust this one a little bit. and you should have something like this.
Oh, for the past 3 days, I've been trying to do this cloning thing. I've watched a lot of videos online, but nobody's even doing it the way I want it, and I still do not understand.
Oh, sorry. So you don't know how to clone yourself yet?
Yes, I don't know how to do it. I've watched a lot of videos.
Okay, come, let me teach you.
Yes, I will
Really?
teach you. Thank you so much. Thank
Don't
you. Thank
worry.
you.
For landscape video, all you need to do is bring your first video. Landscape video, those ones are for Instagram or TikTok. So all you need to do is to bring the video, tap on overlay again, bring your second video,
Oh,
which is the
sorry. So you
response,
don't.
then add. Once you add, adjust this one to the back, adjust this one to the back, like this. I'm going to crop this second clip. Scroll to the right, tap on edit, crop, and crop this a little bit. So it's like this. Now what we're going to do is to tap on the second layer, scroll to your right, tap on max, tap on split. So you pinch on the screen, this yellow line, just turn it to the right, like this. You will see the circle in the middle. That circle in the middle, tap on it and drag it like this. Adjust this to be straight, 90°. So once you have the 90°, this white arrow, tap on it and drag it to fade it in. You can see it now. So if you have
Oh,
Instagram
sorry.
format, that is how you do it. Adjust this one to the back a little bit. The cropping was too much. Anyways, this is how you do this one if your video is in Instagram format. So once you do that, just max it and fade it in. The two colors will balance because you have enough space in the middle. The cropping was too much. That's why it's cut away my hand. So this is how to just achieve this one using max.
But nobody's even doing it.
Okay, come, let me
and I
teach
still
you.
do not
Yes, I will
understand.
teach you.